everybody. Okay, I represent a company called the THUD Group. The THUD Group has come up with a product called an app. The app is free. You download it on your smartphone. Why would you use the app? Aren't you tired of handing out cash, credit card, losing cash, not having enough, your credit card gets cloned? It's a bit of a mess. We're taking South Africa into the future. You download the app, you store your MasterCard or Visa card, credit or debit, onto your app. You password protect it. You go to your nearest business that has Zapper. The barcode is embedded in the till slip. You then scan your till slip and your bill is paid. Scan, pay, go. It's really simple. Once you've got the app, you've got it for life. It's yours, and wherever you go, all you need is your smartphone. You don't have to carry cash, you don't have to carry your cards, you don't have to carry your wallet. It's safe, fast and convenient. We've got over 10,000 users already in South Africa, and our base is growing every single day. We've got brilliant businesses on boards, mostly restaurants in the Western Cape, and everybody's loving it. Any questions? Is that it? Brilliant. I went really, really fast just to get running out of time. I'd love to show you how it works, but it's not possible in such a big crowd because they need to be able to see my phone.